Hello humans, I will show you the equipment I acquired to help me with my repairs. I will repair consoles, mobile phone, televisions, etc. First of all, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. After researching on several websites, I found this welder and hot air gun that would be great for me to start with welding. It seems like at some point I'm going to cut my fingers. I bought at Banggood. I took advantage of the discount to be a new user. It cost me in total with shipping included 34 euros. This model of welding station, the JCD 8898 2-in-1, 750 watts. During the video, I will refer to the welding iron as iron. Everything came well packed. 220-volt AC cord. Warranty card, which I will certainly never use. For me, the important thing was, since I have no experience welding, I need to control the temperature of welding. This model allows you to control both the iron and the hot air gun separately. You can also run it individually, so you don't need to have the whole station assembled. Where the connection to the welder is made, and next to it the connection to the hot air gun. The tips for the hot air gun, and the base for the welder's iron. Now the hot air gun. In this video I will not show the assembled soldering station, but I will show what I consider to be the basics material to be able to do some welding. The first thing is a base that will serve an insulation for working both in welding and with the hot air gun. Unfortunately, I have already burned a table because it had no base. This base cost 10 euros, was also bought in Banggood. It measures 34 by 32 centimeters. Now material that I bought at Servlex store. Tin solder 6040 half a millimeter 7 euros. Soldering paste 2 euros. I apply it to the area where I will do the soldering. It will be more easy and protect the components from the extreme heating. Desoldering pump 4 euros. To remove the solders. Soldering tip cleaning 6,46 euro. It is important between welds to clean the tip. I know it is expensive, but the maintenance of the equipment is what increases its durability. And of course, to finish a multimeter. I realize that this was not a good choice, but it will have to do. Leave in the comments. What kind of equipment do you use? Thanks, and see you next time.